In today's tutorial, I'm going to show how to deactivate Facebook account in 2023. Let's start. At first, open your Facebook app and then click three horizontal line on the top corner. Now scroll down and press setting and privacy. Now click setting. Now click on account center and then click personal details. Now click account ownership and controls. Now select deactive or deletion. Now choose your account. Now deactive account and continue. Also press continue. Now enter your password and press continue. Now choose the reason why you deactivate your account. Choose this is temporary, I will be back. Then scroll down and press continue. Now scroll down and click continue. And then finally click deactivate my account. And that is how to deactivate Facebook account in 2023.